Hey everyone! Welcome to NexTed, Nexaspaces Tech Education, where we help students and professionals build smart solutions for the future. Today, we're starting your journey into embedded systems, the very foundation of smart devices and IoT. So, what is an embedded system? An embedded system is a computer system designed to do one specific task. It's not your regular laptop or desktop, it's usually tiny, highly optimized, and hidden inside another device. Think of it as the brain inside your washing machine, microwave, or smart bulb, always working behind the scenes. Here are a few key characteristics. They perform a dedicated function, nothing more, nothing less. They often work in real time, responding instantly to inputs. They have limited resources, small memory, low processing power. And they're designed for low power consumption, making them ideal for portable and IoT devices. Now you might wonder, how is this different from a general-purpose computer? Well, a PC is designed to run many applications, games, browsers, video editing. An embedded system is built to do just one job, but do it very efficiently. Here are some real-world examples. Your fitness band tracks steps and heart rate using a tiny embedded controller. A washing machine adjusts spin and water level using sensor-based control. In cars, embedded systems monitor fuel, airbags, and braking systems. Even in hospitals, infusion pumps, heart monitors, and ventilators rely on them. So where does IoT come in? IoT is all about connecting devices to the internet, and embedded systems make it possible. For example, a smart irrigation system in agriculture uses sensors to check soil moisture, a microcontroller to process data, Wi-Fi to send info to the cloud, and actuators to control water flow. All powered by embedded tech. In the coming videos, we'll cover everything you need to master embedded systems. Microcontrollers like Arduino and ESP32. Programming with embedded C. IoT protocols like MQTT. Real-time operating systems and cloud integration. And yes, we'll build real projects together. So if you're ready to create smart systems, hit that subscribe button and join the NextEd learning revolution. See you in the next episode.